without a beat. I just keep going. Okay? If you're here for one reason. It's because you saw me pick this lock. You saw me. Yeah, you saw me. I'm going to go ahead and go on a little bit of a sidetrack here. I did a side-by-side of the 15 and the 21. Now, mind you, the 15, which I have, is great. For fucking $80, you cannot go wrong. It is so good. Now, the 21, if you can afford it, and if you want to splurge, it's going to blow your head back, even in comparison to the 15. So I love to take same whiskeys and just different years and try them side by side to see how much difference there is. I would like to kind of reference green spot versus yellow spot, which is not much of a difference, but there's definitely a difference. There's not a value difference there. Go with the green. Yellow's great. I'll drink yellow. But the green's where the value is. Now here, definitely the 15 is where the value is, but the 21, the fucking 21, dude. But up against the 15 versus the 21, the 21 is gonna blow your fucking mind. Now, yes, it is pricey. If you've got to pay $190, $200, retails $250, you know, it's expensive. But when you drink it, you will know where that extra money went. It is fabulous. So, I have got to try to reassemble, and I've got to try and cut these springs. I wish I had something. I do have something. Look at this. Look at this right here. I've got this piece of metal thing. I put this metal thing on that. I put this metal thing on here. It makes some cutums. You hear it? It cut. It is no longer... Oh, it is still too long. You just cut. Okay. Spring is good as new. Yes? Yes? No? I think yes. We're going to cut this one shorter. By cutting spring shorter, you make less tension on that spring. So therefore, it, you know, I don't know, does something. You figure out what the fuck it does. Okay, so longest pinch, you get the shortest spring, so I go 3, you get the shortest one, and then you, because I want to fuck with you guys, going to get the smaller one there, but in this one you go here, yes, yes, yes. These bugs, I got the bugs in my head, bugs in my room. We'll start in the back. Now, we want the skinny part there, so let's go here. We're going to draw... Oh, wait. You got to put spring first, you fucking idiot. Oh. Are you guys watching this shit right now? All I can focus on is the fucking little fly or mosquito or whatever it is that's like on the equator. Okay, that's in there. Okay, we got one. Not 2, Utah, but 1. Oh man, that was horrible. Okay, just try to get this one in there. Threaded chamber. Ooh, I got it. Okay, so now we go here. We put them like this. And, whoa, shite. Yeah, this is fun. I don't know if I've ever really tried drunk and reassembled before. I'm not that drunk, but not that sober. Could I drive home? Well, I'm home, so what the fuck do I care? Everyone's home. You should fucking be at home right now. Stay home, motherfucker. Jesus. Okay, I get this one is in. Yes. I turn this broken cut spring around. It flips because springs and pins like to go places that you don't tell them. It is threaded. Oh, look at this. So you put the little rounded part that way. Oh man, that's gonna be fun. It's going to be fun. I got flies all over the fucking place. I don't know where they're getting in. I gotta look a little closer. I mean, they're little bitty gnats or they're little bitty mosquitoes. Normally mosquitoes don't like me, but I think they like my whiskey, and I'm gonna fucking kill every one of them. Do not even think about my whiskey. This little guy, this is like a double T-pin thing. Doesn't really matter which way it goes, but I want that little fucked up section to go in the core. And we're almost there. Very, very fun. It is very fun like this one. How I say, because I pick them so quick. Yeah, I would like to say it's because I'm very talented, or it's because you make shit challenge like, yes? Or am I talented? I don't know which one. Could be combination of both, or maybe I got lucky. Okay. Okay, but we did learn a valuable lesson, which is shim the motherfucking core, yo. We untape your blue painter's tape. I put something nice and fancy for our next guy, yes? I put a heat shrink. You can pull them off and put them back in. Just like, you know, your women in your country. You can pull it out and put it back in. It's like, you know, it's like this. Put it out and put it back in. Don't show this to your children, you stupid fuck. Or if you are a child, then you need to have conversation with mother and father about the bees and the birds, yes? Is this how you say the birds or the bees? Or the bees and the birds? Holy shit. Get in the hole. Oh, yes. I was going to say Jerry Maguire, but that wasn't the right reference. It was, what is that guy? Get in the hole. He's you know, funny guy. He makes, you know, the penguin. With the penguin. He likes to beat the fuck out of penguins. Not sure what his name is right now. So maybe you can remind me. What is this guy who... He has, he likes to beat the fuck out of the, what is this guy, the game show host? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, alright, so, here we go. Now, we can see how pin 2 is nice and flat and irregular. Now that's nice. That's a really nice shear line. This is going to allow things to roll past your shear line. Do not wallow out all sides of shear line. Okay? It is make for very easy pick, yes? Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, this is done. But I like to do this is like hello, 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 hello. Okay, so the key does this. So you see how pin 2 doesn't even need to do anything. So that's kind of a bummer. Pin 2 needs to do something, man. Pin 2 is no lift. But do not give maker shit. You make luck. It is good. You make them, you learn. Now you got them, you learn. Do I have things in here? Yes, I do. I have things in here. So I know they can't get past that fucked up thing. So I want to put shim. Okay, I put shim. Hello, go in shim. Shim, shim, shimmy, shim, 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 shimmy. Okay, so I have the shim in. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so now I want to be strategic because I don't want to fuck things up again, which I have, you've seen I'm pretty good at. If I do this and then boom, I log back in, it should be good. If I do this and then boom, back in, I get fuckums. So cannot get the wrong if it was able to pick counterclockwise. All right, she's back together. I like her. The core is much looser. It's probably my fault for putting things in the wrong spot, but hey, is this your challenge lock now, or is it mine? Is yours or mine? Mine or yours? How you say? Fucking gnats. I swear to God, I'm fucking over these gnats right now. I gotta find out where they're coming in. Where are they coming in? It's like the spies, they're coming in. That's right, it pours some more 21. It's like a $30 glass. Okay. So I've got that in. I'm not too sure if that's where I need it or what's going on. Where's your key? Oh yeah, key works, bro. Key works. It's not going to go the other direction. It only goes one direction. Okay. Where did stupid Paula go? Okay, that goes there. This actuator. There's a deep side and a shallow side, so deep side has to go towards that side. That's there. We need key. We need key. Yep. Or not. So All right, this bitch is at 1 o'clock. And that looks like it's at 1 o'clock. Or I don't do that. And it is at 3 and whatever. Oh yeah, that's the way. That's the way to do this bitch right there. Lock them up. Okay, so I need to turn it a little past. Oh, she's gonna drop right in like butter. Boom, like I told you. She's dropping in like butter. If like 10 people were to watch my video and get any kind of amusement out of it, I'd be surprised. But hey. All right, that's that. Look at that, dude. Nice, nice. So nice. Nice. But something's fucked up. Key doesn't work. Why doesn't the key? Oh, because I didn't put that fancy little lock inside of it in the beginning. Do you guys see that little? Oh no, that's the key. But see, it's all wiggly. I've got to get it more. I need to get it more. Yes. You see how I need to get it more? I put the smaller screwdriver in. And she gets it more. Maybe too much. Okay. It's a fucking project right now. Well, I mean, that works, right? I mean, it kind of works. Open, 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 open. Okay, so let's do that. Let's crank this down now. Not crank it down, because it doesn't work when it's cranked down. I like that. It has just enough firm. No. Sure, I like it. Let's go with it. How long has it been since I've had whiskey? Have you guys been counting? Oh, well. If you're putting it on upside down, I think you probably had enough. Okay, now we try again. Maybe I got the fucking ball bearings wrong. Holy fuck, are you kidding me right now? These fucking flies. I don't even know what it is, dude. These flies or these mosquitoes or whatever they are. Okay, so I practiced that. If this thing were to go here and then go there, I mean, that works. Okay, that works easier. Okay. Okay. Oh. Now we're in fucking business, bitches. That's what I want to do. Dude. Why the fuck is this so challenging? Alright, that's straight up no. That's going to open the lock. Okay, that's what I need this thing to do. Why are you not doing it? Is it because this is in the way? Yes. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Okay, so now we've learned, just like grub screws, they get in the way. So you got to make sure that's the right way. There it is. This lock is going to operate now. Okay, I never got them again. Why use screwdriver? Use finger. I hope you guys suffered through that fucking shit. This is an educational video, so like fucking watch it, learn, motherfuckers, because I just have my pains. And I think it's still fucking key retaining. It's awesome. Okay. Fucking A. Tonzos. Oh my god. Ugh.